Hey friends, welcome back to SoftGPT. Today, we're exploring UXPilot, an AI-powered platform that takes you from prompt to polished UI in under 3 minutes. It's a powerful tool built for founders, product managers, engineers, and designers who want production-ready mockups without wasting days in design sprints. The best part is, it exports directly to Figma for easy handoff and collaboration. In this video, I'll give you a complete step-by-step walkthrough. We'll generate a hi-fi design, customize it, explore the reference feature, and finally, share it with the team. So, let's dive in. Once you log in, you'll see a clean and minimal dashboard with 3 options: hi-fi UI design, wireframing, and UX design review. I'll start with hi-fi UI design. Here, you can decide whether you want to create a wireframe or a hi-fi design. After that, you'll need to select the model version. Then, you simply choose your screen type, either desktop or mobile, depending on your project. Now comes the fun part, adding your prompt. You can type your own idea or use the built-in prompt helper if you're not sure where to start. For this demo, I'll use a simple one: a smart home control panel with detailed device statistics. It's a clear and practical example to test how well the platform handles design generation. UXPilot.ai also offers 2 additional settings: Deep Research Mode and Max Mode. Deep Research creates smarter layouts, while Max Mode produces more detailed and complete designs. I'll enable both options for this walkthrough to get the best possible results. Next, we move to the workflow setup. Normally, this process can take quite a while, but UXPilot.ai includes an auto workflow option that automatically adds the screens for you. Of course, you can still add or remove screens at any point, but this automation saves a lot of manual effort. Once that's done, all it takes is one click on Generate, and the real magic begins. Within minutes, UXPilot.ai generates a complete, professional-looking design. Watching a full set of detailed screens appear so quickly feels like a game changer, especially when you think about how long this process usually takes in traditional design tools. Once the design is ready, customization is incredibly smooth. You can edit text directly on the screen. Once you click Edit, you can see 3 options like Global Edit, Section Edit, and Manual Edit. Simply choose one and edit your screen. Next is Preview section, where you can see your screen in a separate tab, or you can also see the source code, or mark a screen as a reference. There's even an interact feature that lets you preview how the design would actually behave, giving you a live, realistic experience. Beyond that, you can save your designs for Figma export, revisit your prompt history, change fonts, export the entire design as a PDF or PNG, rearrange layouts with the Move feature, or even leave sticky notes for feedback. Personally, I really like the sticky notes feature. It's great for quick comments, suggestions, or ideas without interrupting the creative flow. Sharing your designs is also straightforward. You can create either private or public links, add password protection if needed, and teammates can instantly open the design right in their browser. This makes it extremely convenient for remote teams or quick client previews. Now, let's explore the reference feature, which is one of the most powerful tools inside UXPilot.ai. It allows you to create new screens that stay visually and functionally consistent with your existing design. For example, I'll add a new prompt, like add a smart lighting control screen with brightness and schedule options. Within seconds, UXPilot.ai generates a perfectly aligned new screen that matches the same design language, color scheme, and layout as the main dashboard. This makes the entire smart home interface look cohesive. The reference feature ensures that no matter how many screens you generate, your design remains consistent, professional, and visually unified. Now, I'm going to walk you through 2 of the most powerful features inside UXPilot. Blitz, which generates a complete UI in under 10 seconds, and import components, which allows you to use your own design system directly inside the platform. Let's start with Blitz Mode. Here, I'll type a simple prompt. Generate a modern smart home control dashboard with cards for lights, temperature, security status, and energy usage. Keep the layout clean and minimal. Within just a few seconds, UXPilot produces a complete, structured interface. Every section looks clean, balanced, and professional. The purpose of Blitz is simple: instant UI generation without any waiting time, making it perfect for rapid prototyping and quick client demonstrations. Now let's talk about the Import Components feature. This allows you to upload your entire design system, including buttons, cards, inputs, typography styles, spacing rules, and colors. For example, I use a prompt like "Generate a dashboard layout using my imported design system. Include top navigation, stats cards, an activity chart, and a recent actions panel." The generated design will follow the components I uploaded, making it cleaner, more unified, and developer-ready. This level of consistency is especially valuable for product teams, agencies, and anyone maintaining a strong brand identity. When you zoom in on the design, you can clearly see how well the spacing, buttons, and typography align with your imported components. It's a simple but powerful way to ensure that your designs look professional and stay on brand across every screen. Both of these features can significantly speed up your workflow and improve consistency. And that wraps up our full walkthrough. With UXPilot.ai, you can generate polished designs in just minutes, save hours of design work, share your projects instantly, and export directly to Figma while keeping everything consistent. It's intuitive, powerful, and an absolute time saver for anyone working in UI and UX design. The link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.